love hanging out in the canteen because you know we're making something delicious. And so coming up on April the 6th, which is a week Thursday, is National Burrito Day. Great to have Varun from the Dundas location of Fat Bastard Burritos, and we have the district manager, Peter from London. Good morning, lads. How are we?
Good morning, Tim.
We are good. How are you?
I'm doing very well. Before we get into making our own burritos, Peter, what is that contraption and that monstrosity in front of us here?
That is a 10-pound plus burrito that we put together. It's 32 inches long. It took 13 huge tortilla shells to put together. It took 3 of us about an hour to put it together. So
is it a novelty or is this something you can actually order?
it's actually a novelty
It's a novelty
yeah.
to promote National
That's
Burrito
right.
Day coming up on Thursday.
That's right.
And Varun, so there's a number of franchises around the area. You're in Dundas?
Yes, sir.
How long have you run that one for?
For 1.5 years.
Nice. And how's it going?
It's been good. We are getting good response.
Yeah.
So it's been, touch wood, it's good, getting better.
Okay. The thing about burritos, you can put whatever you want on a burrito.
Exactly.
So we both have a burrito. We all have a shell.
Yes.
We're gonna make our own burritos.
The
Okay.
way we like it.
The way we like it. How do you like it? What do you go for first?
So for me, I just go with the beans and rice at the base.
Okay.
Because that's what makes the burrito the perfect burrito.
Do
you
we-
need to have a perfect base for that.
Do we need? So we need beans. Are you a bean guy too?
I'm
Peter?
not a black bean guy.
Okay.
I don't mind the refried.
Okay. What kind of beans are you going for?
I go for refried.
Okay, you go for refried.
Okay.
Peter, can you top me up with a little?
Certainly.
Let's do a little black bean on here.
All right.
Okay. Because the thing is there a wrong way to make a burrito, Peter?
No, it's your own personal preference. How you want to.
Your own personal
how you
preference.
wanna-
Okay, so you got
Make
so
it
we got a
happen,
little
sorry.
bean. Mush that up a little bit. Perfect.
There you go.
What kind of meat are you putting on yours? What do we have?
So we got chicken here and we got rice.
Okay.
So either you can go both in or you can just go your choice.
What are you going for? I'm going to go
I'm
for
going
both.
for both.
Okay, you go
Yeah.
for both. I'll go for both too. Because how many toppings do you have altogether, Peter? In any of your
We've got
stores?
12 toppings.
12 toppings.
Yeah.
What would be the most popular?
The pico de gallo is popular. We make it in-house.
Right.
It's made fresh. We have a couple other unique toppings. We've got chow mein noodles that we throw on, which is
you
a
get
little
that?
bit different.
Let me do this. I can
We've
do
got
this.
coleslaw. We've got crunchies. And we've got some sauteed veg, which is a new topping we added.
Okay. Oh, this is nice and warm too. Okay.
Yeah.
Do we want to put? Because the thing is, sometimes when I'm making
Load it up.
well,
Load it
sometimes when
up.
I'm making a burrito, I put like too much on, and then I can't fold it. We want to fold it. What are you putting on yours?
So that's our specialty, the noodles, chow mein
Yeah.
noodles. It goes very good on the burrito. You
Okay.
won't see it anywhere else.
Yeah, throw that
I
on
must
mine.
say you
Throw that
try
a
it.
little on mine. There we go.
There we go.
Nice. This is the
Pico.
pico. Can I throw a little pico on there? Am I
Absolutely.
throwing it right on top, or do I have to like put it down the side like that? Is there an art to these burritos?
For the pico, you want it on the side, but
Okay.
when you put the sauces on, you want it on a specific side.
On a specific side.
You like cheese and lettuce on it.
A little cheese, yeah.
Okay.
Can you throw a little on there for me.
So we can put on a hot stuff so it can start melting.
Okay. Because once we wind these up, you would actually put them in an oven, or
So what we
wind them
do
up?
is, what separates us from our competitors is we grill it on 4 sides. So a lot of competitors actually don't grill it, or they just grill it on 2 sides, but we'd like to grill it on 4 sides to make it a lot more crispy and warm up the
These
ingredients. They're jalapenos, yeah.
Okay. So let's. What are you guys doing for National Burrito Day?
So we're doing a promo. It's a big burrito and Dorito
Okay.
for $6 plus tax.
So we just
Start
go-
folding yours up.
So we just go like pull
Oh,
the sides
that's your
first.
sides?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we
20
go.
seconds.
Yeah.
Here we go.
On top.
Yeah.
And then just squeeze
So
it down.
Squeeze it in there.
if you can get everybody out to visit, we have 75 locations across
Right.
Ontario.
And a number of them in the region, including right in Dundas with Varun. Fat Bastard Burrito. Happy National Burrito Day coming up on Thursday. Can't wait to warm this baby up. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.